how to overcome objections when cold calling. As an agent who has sold over 100 homes from cold calling, a question that I get asked a lot is, how do you handle objections? We all get them, right, guys? Have you had every objection under the roof thrown at you when you're cold calling? Expireds, canceled, for sale by owners, circle prospecting, farming a neighborhood? Well, here's the formula to success that has always worked for myself and for other agents who are trained in the same system as we are. So, objections, when you receive them. The formula is the first thing you want to do, step one, is to approve what they're saying. So you get the objection, I want to wait until spring. Sure, Mr. and Mrs. Seller, I can understand that. You're thinking that you want to wait to sell your home until the spring. Never argue with anyone. You want to let them know that you heard them, that you respect them. That's step one, approve what they are saying. Step two, and this is the second part of the formula. Step one is to approve or agree. Step two is to ask two questions that they can easily answer yes to. So it sounds like, Mr. and Mrs. Seller, it is still a priority for you to get your home sold. Is that right? If they say no, you should hang up the phone anyway. But it sounds like they're going to say yes. And based on the fact that your list price was $750,000, it seems like if you could sell your home for that price, you would, wouldn't you? Probably they're going to say yes again. So part two of handling objections is to ask two questions that the seller can easily say yes to. And then what you want to do, the third step, step three, is to ask a closing question. So in following with what we're dealing with right now, it sounds like you want to wait until the spring to sell your home. Is that right, Mr. and Mrs. Seller? Yes. Okay, but you do want to get your home sold. It is still a priority for you, isn't it? Yes. And if you could get $750,000 to sell your home, would you do that today? Yes, you would. Okay, great. Just by you saying that demonstrates why we should get together. May I make a suggestion? What's that, Jessica? It sounds like it would be a good use of your time for us to get together. How does 3 o'clock tomorrow or 5 o'clock the next day sound for you? Close. So there is your strategy for handling objections. Step one, approve what they're saying. Step two, ask two questions that they can easily answer yes. Step three is close. If you use that strategy and that formula to handle objections, you will get more appointments. For more tips and tricks like these to help you to get more listing appointments and to sell more homes, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel.